Welcome to English Travel Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation at a diner that serves classic Southern food. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story between a couple, Ken and Lily, and the staff at the diner. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. According to Ruby, what is the right way to eat fried chicken and waffles? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Look at this. Fried chicken and waffles, all on one plate.
Wait, waffles and chicken together? On the same plate?
Yes, and you put syrup on both of them.
Syrup? Sweet syrup on chicken? That sounds strange to me.
I know it sounds strange, but so many people love it here.
I don't know. Sweet and salty together in one bite?
You eat sweet and salty candy all the time, don't you?
That's different. That's just candy, not a real meal.
What about salty ham with sweet melon? People eat that too.
Okay, that's true. I never thought that was so strange.
See? Sweet and salty together is not a new idea at all.
Maybe you're right. I guess I'm just not sure about this one.
Come on, let's try it. You might really like it.
Fine, I'll try it, but I'm still not totally sure.
That's great. I think you're going to love it.
I hope so. This is a big plate of food.
It's a famous dish here. People come from far away just for this.
Really? Just for fried chicken and waffles?
Yes, this diner is famous for Southern food. That means food from the south of the United States. I read about it online.
Okay, now I'm a little more interested. Let's order it.
Great! I'm so happy you want to try it.
We can always order something else if I don't like it.
Don't worry, you're going to like it. I have a good feeling.
Look at this place. Every table has red seats and a black and white floor.
I love this kind of diner. It feels so warm and friendly.
The people at that table are eating waffles too. It smells so good.
I know. I've been smelling it since we walked in the door.
Is the portion big? I don't want to order too much food.
I heard it's a really big plate. We might even share it.
That's smart. Let's share one plate between the two of us.
Good idea. That way we can both try it without eating too much.
All right, let's call the waitress over.
Hi there. Are you ready to order?
Yes, we would like the fried chicken and waffles, please.
Great choice. That's one of our most popular dishes.
Can I ask you something? Do people really put syrup on the chicken?
Yes, they really do. It might sound strange, but trust me.
I still don't understand. Sweet syrup on fried chicken?
Most first-time customers only put syrup on the waffle, but it's even better on the chicken too, I promise.
Okay, I believe you. I'll try it on both.
That's the right way to eat it, I think.
Why does it taste good together, sweet and salty at the same time?
The sweet syrup and the salty chicken make a great mix.
That makes sense, I guess. I'm ready to try it now.
Perfect. Do you want anything to drink with your meal?
Just 2 glasses of water, please.
Sure thing. I'll bring your food out soon.
Thank you so much for the advice about the syrup.
No problem. I love telling new customers about it.
How long have you worked at this diner?
A few years now. I still love this dish every single time.
That's nice to hear. It must be a really good dish then.
It really is. I promise you'll love it.
All right, now I can't wait to try it.
Is this your first time trying Southern food?
Yes, it is. She picked this diner for us today.
You picked a great dish for your first time here.
I hope so. Is the chicken very spicy?
It's just a little spicy, not too much. I think you'll be fine.
Good. I don't like really spicy food that much.
Don't worry. This dish is more sweet and salty than spicy.
That sounds perfect for me then.
It also comes with a small side of coleslaw. That's a cold salad made with cabbage. Do you like that?
I've never tried coleslaw before either. Is today the day for new food?
Looks like it. You're trying a lot of new things at once.
I guess I am. Let's hope it all tastes good.
I promise you it will. This kitchen makes some of the best food in town. I'll go put your order in right now.
Here it comes. Wow, look at this huge plate.
This looks amazing. The chicken looks so crispy, crunchy, and golden brown.
Let's try it. You first. Put syrup on everything.
Okay, here I go. Syrup on the chicken and the waffle.
Well, what do you think? Say something.
Wow. Wow, this is really good.
Your eyes just got so big. You like it, don't you?
I really do. The sweet and salty together is so good.
I told you. I knew you would like it.
I was wrong. This is one of the best things I've eaten.
Let me try a bite too. Give me some chicken.
Here, try it with a lot of syrup on top.
This is so good. The chicken is really crispy too.
I can't believe I almost didn't order this.
See? Sometimes you have to try new things before you say no to them.
You're right. I'm glad we ordered this together.
Me too. This might be my favorite meal here in America.
The chicken is a little spicy too. Did you notice that?
Yes, a little spicy and a little sweet. It's a great mix.
I want to eat this every day now.
Slow down. We still have a lot of food left.
I know, but it's just so good. The coleslaw is good too. Cold and a little sweet.
I like it with the warm chicken. The two together are nice.
This waffle is so soft too. It's not dry at all.
I think the butter on top makes it soft and sweet.
I can taste the butter, the syrup, and the chicken all at once.
That's the magic of this dish. Everything works together so well.
I'm really glad we didn't order something small and boring.
Me too. This is a meal we'll remember for a long time.
I want to take a picture of this plate before it's all gone.
Good idea. Hold on. Let me get my phone out too.
Okay, smile. This is going to be a great photo.
Let's enjoy every bite. This is a special meal.
Now, let's take a short break here. We are going to practice some useful words from today's video. We have 5 words today. Are you ready? Let's begin. The first word is syrup, meaning a thick, sweet liquid you put on food. For example, she put syrup on her waffle. The second word is crispy, meaning hard and crunchy on the outside. For example, the fried chicken was very crispy. The third word is spicy, meaning food that makes your mouth feel hot. For example, this sauce is a little spicy. The fourth word is portion, meaning the amount of food on your plate. For example, the portion was really big. The fifth word is sweet, meaning having a taste like sugar. For example, the syrup was very sweet. Great work! That's all for today's word practice. Now, let's go back to Ken and Lily at the diner.
Excuse me, are you the cook here?
Yes, that's me. Did you enjoy your food?
It was amazing. The chicken was so crispy on the outside.
Thank you. That crispy coating, the outside part, is my favorite too.
How do you make it so crispy? What's your secret?
First, we soak the chicken in a special milky liquid. We leave it in the liquid overnight. This makes the meat inside very soft. Later, when we fry it, the outside gets really crispy.
Really? A milky liquid? What is that exactly?
It's called buttermilk. It makes the chicken very soft.
That's so interesting. I never knew that before.
After that, we cover it in flour and spices.
And then you fry it, right?
Yes, we fry it until it's golden and crispy outside.
That's why it tastes so good. That's a lot of work.
It takes time, but it's worth it in the end.
I'll tell him about it. He'll want to know this too.
Tell him it's an old family recipe from the South.
I will. Thank you so much for telling me.
You're welcome. Come back and visit us again soon.
We definitely will. This is our new favorite diner.
How long have you two been in town?
Just a few days. We're traveling around for 2 weeks.
That's great. Have you tried other Southern food yet?
Not yet, but now I really want to try more of it.
You should try the biscuits and gravy next time you come in. Our biscuits are soft American biscuits, more like warm bread than a hard cookie.
We will. We already saw that on the menu today.
This diner has been open for almost 30 years now.
Wow, that's a long time. It must have a lot of history.
My father started this place. Now I cook here with my sister.
That's so nice. A real family business.
We're proud of it. We use the same recipes every single day.
I can taste how much care goes into the food here.
That means a lot to me. My grandmother taught me this recipe when I was young.
Wow, that's so special. A family recipe with a real story.
That makes me really happy to hear.
Thank you again. Have a great rest of your day.
You too. Enjoy the rest of your meal.
I'm so full. I can't move.
Me too. That was such a huge meal.
I don't think I've ever eaten that much food before.
It was worth it though, right? The food was so good.
Definitely worth it. I'm really happy we tried this place.
Let's just sit here a little longer before we go.
Good idea. I need a few minutes before I can move at all.
Did you like the chicken with the syrup in the end?
I loved it. I was wrong to be worried about it.
I knew you would change your mind after one bite.
Sweet and salty together is actually a great mix.
See? You should trust me more often about food.
Okay, you win this time.
This was such a fun lunch. I'm glad we came here.
Me too. I want to remember this place.
We should write down the name of this diner.
Good idea. I'll save it on my phone.
Next time, we can bring our friends here too.
They would love this place, I'm sure.
Let's take our time before we leave.
Sure, I need a few more minutes before I can walk.
Take your time. There's no rush at all.
Thanks. I really am so full right now.
I can tell. Your face looks so sleepy.
Maybe a little. Let's just relax here for a few more minutes.
Do you want any dessert, or are you too full for that?
No way. I can't eat one more bite right now.
Same here. Maybe next time we'll save room for dessert.
I still can't believe how big this plate really was.
I know. It was easily enough for 2 people, maybe even 3.
Good thing we shared it. That was a smart choice from the start.
I'm just happy we finally tried it. I've wanted this for a while.
Me too, honestly. I'm glad you talked me into it.
See? Sometimes it's good to try something a little strange.
I think we're ready to pay now. Should we ask for the bill?
Yes, let's call Ruby over and ask for the check.
You know, I was thinking about what Ruby told us earlier.
About putting syrup on the chicken?
Yes, she was totally right. It really was better with syrup on both.
I told you to trust her. She works here every day.
I was wrong not to believe it at first. It was really good.
I'm glad you finally believe me about food now.
Here comes Ruby with the check. Let's see how much it is.
It says $22 for both of us together.
That's not bad at all for so much food.
We should leave a good tip. She gave us really helpful advice.
I agree. Let's leave 20%. That's about $4 more.
That sounds fair. She really deserves it today.
Should we pay with a card or do you have cash?
Let's use the card. It's easier to add the tip that way.
Good idea. I'll write the tip on this line here.
Don't forget to ask for a receipt in case we need it later.
Right. I always keep receipts when we travel.
Excuse me, could we also get a box for the extra waffle?
Good thinking. I don't want to waste any of this food.
Me neither. It's too good to throw away.
Thank you. Here's the box. Let's put the waffle inside carefully.
Perfect. Now we have a nice snack for later tonight.
This was such a great meal from start to finish.
I agree, and the service was wonderful too, thanks to Ruby.
We should definitely come back to this diner again soon.
I'd love that. Maybe next time we can bring some friends.
That sounds like a great plan. Are you ready to go now?
Almost. Let me just check we have everything, including the box.
Good thinking. I would never forget a box of food.
I know you too well by now. Okay, let's go explore the city.
Sounds good. Thank you for such a wonderful lunch today.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. According to Ruby, what is the right way to eat fried chicken and waffles? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but useful tips to help you learn. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel, and please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. If you want to study more, this channel also has a membership. Members get a special study guide PDF for every episode. Each PDF has the key words, useful phrases, and extra quiz questions that are not in the video. You can find the link in the description below. If you really want to improve your English, please give it a try. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.